Well, today's Sunday, it's the 26th of January, it's 2025, and I'm back down in Palma today with thousands of other people yet again, including the TV cameras just up there. Lots of lights, and the Christmas lights, well, they've been turned off because tonight we've got something very special. We've got the end of the San Sebastian celebrations, and they finish not with a bang, not with a whimper, but with a big bang. And there's going to be plenty of big bangs this evening because we've got the annual Correfoc. It's the fireworks that, well, they're just not normal. They're just frighteningly fireworks. And I'm actually in Tres, walking down the middle of the road, which you wouldn't normally do on a normal day. But today, all of the cars have been stopped from coming down. And there's various stages all along here, and platforms that have been set up. And these have been set up for the demons to stand on, and they'll be letting off their fireworks. And there's going to be people all around enjoying this, culminating in, well, just massive fireworks. But these fireworks are not up in the sky. They're down on the ground and all around you. So you're told to wear suitable clothes, long sleeves, wear hats, wear glasses, take suitable safety precautions. And well, we've got lots of people on hand just in case there is the odd spark that gets astray. Here's one of those platforms that's been set up right in the middle of the road. Children are playing on it at the moment. You can see perhaps some of the lights that have been put up specially for the event, and some of them are already on and flashing around, and just loads of people. Really, really exciting times. I've never been at this end during the Correfoc. I've just been down at the bottom, and that's where we would catch the dragon. If I stay up here, maybe I won't catch the dragon. Who knows? It's all due to kick off at 7 o'clock. And I think they're going to be coming in from all angles, so it could be very exciting. Here's one of the TV cameras, already pointing up in this direction. They're going to be coming down here, going down towards Plaza de Tortugas. They're going to be in the Born down that end, and Plaza de la Reina, I think, has been mentioned as well. So I'll just have a little walk around. I'm outside, I nearly said Galerías Preciados then. I'm outside El Corte Inglés, the big department store, which is actually open on a Sunday evening. Some people can get in there and get their last minute bargains. It's coming up to 7 o'clock. That's the start time for the events here. I noticed the bins over there have been sealed off. Don't want any fireworks going into the bins. There have been some bins going, setting on fire recently. I think somebody's been setting them on fire, and we're going to have some cars set on fire recently. Not sure what that's all about. We've got the civil protection people on duty, just coming up to another of these platforms. And what will happen on these platforms, the demons will get up there and they'll be letting off fireworks all around, and people will be standing around, dressed hopefully in a suitable way, and the TV cameras will be there to capture it all, be going out live. There's some demons going up, and there'll be lots of noise, batucadas, the drummers. Lots of things going on. It's going to get very noisy this evening. It's getting pretty noisy now. Just have a look at my phone because I forgot to put my watch on. It's 20 to 7. Some more bins that have been wrapped up. You'll see some people with their horns and their tridents, mimicking the demons that are going to be coming around. Little fireworks already going off. I was getting a bit worried as I was driving in. The traffic gradually built up, but the reason was there's plenty of room in the car park. It wasn't that. The reason was they've cut off such a lot of the roads to allow this spectacle to happen. But this is the end of San Sebastian. San Sebastian officially ends with this firework display, and we then have to wait for the next event, which I'm pretty much guessing is going to be Carnival, and that will be going on at various weekends during February. So not long to wait for that, and that is truly spectacular here in Palma and elsewhere on the island. So last year, I think it was last year, I came here. This is just in front of C&A. It's a bit darker down here, and this is where I saw the dragon, but I'm not sure whether it's going to be here this year. We've got a TV camera there who's taking pictures right up the road there. Eventually I think they might switch the street lighting off, but we've got another 15 or 20 minutes to go for that. I'm just going to walk down here a little bit. I'm guessing it's pretty dark on the video now. Not sure how much you can see and how wobbly the picture is. Just approaching, well, I'm in the Bourne there. This is the Plaza de Tortugas. And the other big congregation is, I think, going to be at the bottom of here. And that's going to be in Plaza de la Reina. Big hands dropping out of the exhibition centre over there. This is the Bourne. This is actually where I came to video the Three Kings parade, cavalcade. I think it might have some street entertainers down here as well. It looks as though it's come to something of a log jam. Might have to divert a little. Can't actually see what's going on here. I might have to put the camera up for you.
Chavales, tengo que terminar porque ya vienen los demonios. Sí. Jul, muchas gracias por ayudarme, tío. Como artista de calle, gracias a ti, muchas personas se han olvidado de sus problemas que tienen en casa.
You've seen something I haven't seen. I haven't got a clue what was going on there. We're just getting to the bottom of the Bourne now. The post office is up there. Oh, and now can't walk any further. You probably can't see, but there's a big fence across here. And I think we might have the dragon. We might have found the dragon.
ves a comer aquí.
Is this where they start off?
Well, I think I managed to have found the demon's lair. We've got the demons just over the fence here. See if we can get a sneak peek at them. I think they're having the photo taken. Just getting now to Plaza de la Reina, which is where it's all supposed to be happening as well. So lots of different centres for this Correfoc. They've tried to spread it out, I suppose, to not get the huge density of people. And there's a big stage with lots of drums. And a big area for the Correfoc to happen in, which will be just over these people here. Well, Plaza de la Reina is actually famous for its fountain, which is really pretty when it's on. But today, quite sensibly, I think, it's being switched off and all cordoned off so that nobody's going to get damaged or hurt in there. And well, people sensibly standing well back. I can see more ambulances down there, just in case, you never know. The excitement is actually getting in and amongst all of the fire and the fireworks as it happens. It's one of the ambulances that have been set up just on the outskirts, just in case. And this is that square where I was showing you, and I can actually walk right across it if I wanted to right now. There is nobody in the middle there. They're leaving the space because this is where the demons are going to be and the fireworks are going to be let off. Well, there's some smoke and some demons already appearing on the stage. Well, it's now just come 7 o'clock. It's actually 19 degrees in this plaza, so it's not cold at all. And here we go. to the firemen. They're there. I've come to Palma now, and the fireworks, the demons are on the way down. behind me. But I'm going off home now. I hope you've enjoyed this. It's been very noisy, very loud, and lots of fun. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.